Welcome to this fabulous custom-built home in the quiet Oak Grove neighborhood. It's ideally situated close to parks and shopping with easy access to the Willamette River. Nestled in the trees in a peaceful, tranquil setting, you'll discover this beautiful home built with style and sophistication. The open concept floor plan features gorgeous hardwood floors, high ceilings, a cozy gas fireplace, and built-ins. The great room opens to the gourmet kitchen with every amenity for the chef and the family, including granite counters, a large cooktop island with eating bar, stainless appliances, and a pantry. Just off the kitchen, entertain in the formal dining room with direct access to the back patio. You'll find a private office with French doors by the entry. On the upper level, you'll discover an inviting vaulted master suite. Unwind in the spa-inspired master bath with an elegant walk-in shower and a cast iron soaking tub. A spacious bonus room with a bath, wet bar, and 2 closets is perfect for family gatherings or a 4th bedroom. A breezeway leads to the landscaped yard, fire pit, and covered patio, a delightful space for entertaining. Other features include a central vacuum system, abundant storage, and it's wired throughout for speakers, an alarm, internet, and cable. A gorgeous custom home on River Forest Lane. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.